You silly.
Then she goes back to the blue. Oh, wait a minute, I forgot about that one.
No one.
Here you go. Go open some more presents.
Got more presents.
Thank you, baby. This one's empty. Look, we already opened it. That's what the other baby bottles were. Okay, go open another present. I like these baby bottles.
More baby bottles?
Open that one. That's it.
Open it.
You can open
We
it.
can open it together, okay? You do it. Oh. What's that?
No.
Is that another Mickey book?
Mickey. Mickey.
I see.
Mine.
I'm getting into it now. Okay, here. Oh, this one's heavy.
Somebody used tape.
What's that?
What is it, Nova?
I know what it is.
Right there.
That.
Push that button. Your thumb.
Also.
Wow.
Yep.
I say and.
Flashlight on. Flashlight off.
I say and.
You did turn it on.
More presents. One more.
That's your last one.
This one.
Last one. Yes.
That.
What is it?
And that. Okay.
Okay, you open.
Tape it.
Leave me alone in my wrapping job.
Wow.
What is it, Nova?
Is that for brushing?
Yes, it goes with the toothpaste.
Yeah.
Open.
Here, Nana will
And-
open for you.
Nova, can you say happy birthday?
Happy birthday.
Say it to Mommy.
Say bye.
Bye.
Say